So, if you're a local service bro, you're an absolute expert at your craft, but maybe you feel just a little overwhelmed by the whole marketing side of things, well, you are in the right place. We are about to break down a really clear, no-nonsense system to keep your schedule packed, based on a method that actually works in today's world. And this really gets to the heart of the matter, doesn't it? I mean, your skill used to be all it took, but now, that's just the price of entry. The pros who are really crushing it today know that marketing isn't some extra thing you do. It's the bridge that connects your expertise to a phone that won't stop ringing.
The million-dollar question. Here's the secret. It's not about chasing every shiny new trend or throwing a bunch of money at ads and hoping for the best. It's about having a system. And that's exactly what we're going to build together, piece by piece, starting right now.
Okay, first things first, we have to understand the landscape. That old playbook, the yellow pages, ads in the local paper, yeah, that's pretty much ancient history. The way customers find you has totally flipped on its head, so we need to know the new rules of the game.
And this is absolutely crucial to get. Your first impression, almost every single time, is digital. Before a potential customer ever hears your voice or sees your work truck, they've already checked you out online and made up their mind. So marketing isn't optional anymore. It's a core business skill.
So if everybody's online, how in the world do you make sure they choose you? You can't just be another name on a Google search list. You got to build a brand that people instantly recognize and, more importantly, trust.
Exactly. Think of your brand like a shield. It's what makes you special and deflects all that generic competition. When a customer is scrolling through a list of options, it's that shield, that instant feeling of professionalism and trust that makes them stop, click, and call you.
All right, let's get into the mechanics. How does this all come together to build a machine that brings in leads? And I mean a real engine here. Not just a random collection of tasks, but an interconnected system designed to get your phone ringing day in and day out.
This is such a simple but powerful way to think about it. 20 years ago, customers would walk by your shop or see your truck in the neighborhood. Today, they walk right through Google's front door. It is the #1 place where people with an immediate problem are actively searching for your exact service.
Now, what's great here is how simple this makes it. Dominating Google isn't some kind of dark art or secret code. It really just boils down to these 3 things: having a fantastic filled-out Google business profile, being on top of your online reviews, and making it dead simple for someone searching to become someone calling.
And this is such a critical distinction. People go to Google when the pipe is leaking right now. They're ready to hire. They scroll social media when they're bored or want to see what's going on. So you use Google to catch the immediate business, and you use social media to stay visible so they think of you when that pipe eventually does leak. 2 different tools, 2 different jobs. Let that one sink in for a second. Seriously, what a total stranger says about you online is now just as powerful as what a neighbor tells their friend over the back fence. This is exactly why getting a handle on your reviews isn't just a nice to have. It's the foundation of building trust with new customers. Okay, so your digital front door is wide open. That's fantastic, but we can't forget about the real world. Your most lasting, durable business is always going to come from the trust you build right there in your own community. This is how you build a business with deep roots. It's not just about ads. It's about becoming a fixture in your town, partnering with other local businesses, showing up at events, and turning your happiest customers into your biggest advocates. And here's the key idea that changes everything. A referral engine isn't just about crossing your fingers and hoping people talk about you. It's a system. It's a process you put in place to make it incredibly easy and natural for your best customers to send you more great customers. It's predictable.
So, we've covered getting the phone to ring, and we've talked about building a stellar reputation. But the final, crucial piece of this whole engine is what happens after you've done that first job. This is where real, sustainable growth kicks in.
I mean, think about it. It is so much easier and way more profitable to get more work from a happy customer than it is to constantly be out there hunting for new ones. The most successful service businesses out there are built on a rock-solid foundation of loyal clients.
And this chart says it all, doesn't it? That first job you do for someone, that's just the tip of the iceberg. A whopping 3/4 of a customer's total value comes from the work they'll give you down the road and from the new customers they send your way. Focusing on loyalty isn't just nice, it's a massive growth strategy.
And the best part? Keeping these customers happy and coming back doesn't have to be super complicated. We're talking about simple things like a monthly email newsletter or a quick text message to fill a slow afternoon.
But remember, none of these tools work if the experience wasn't amazing in the first place. That outstanding service is the fuel for this whole retention engine.
And really, that's the big takeaway here. This is not some rigid, one-size-fits-all formula. It's a flexible framework. It's a toolkit. You take these pieces, the online engine, the community connection, the customer loyalty, and you build a system that works perfectly for you.
So, after looking at all of this, what's your first move? What's the one piece you're going to focus on first? Are you going to go dial in that Google profile? Start building a system to get more reviews? Or maybe focus on creating that referral engine? The choice is yours, and the best time to start is now.